Under agency law, a principal may be bound by its agent's action even if the principal limited the agent's authority, if it appeared the agent had the authority to act. RNR Investments versus People's First Community Bank considered this concept as applied to a limited partnership. RNR Investments was a Florida limited partnership formed to buy an empty lot and build a house for resale. Bernard Roeger was the general partner. There were 3 limited partners. Their limited partnership agreement restricted Roger's authority as general partner. Roger had to prepare a budget for the cost of acquiring the property and constructing the home, which was approved by the limited partners. This approved budget was attached to the limited partnership agreement as an exhibit. The approved budget couldn't be exceeded by more than 5%, and no single line item could be exceeded by more than 10%. Roger wasn't allowed to incur debts, liabilities, or obligations that would cause the approved budget to be exceeded in these ways unless Roger got prior written consent from the limited partners. The agreement also restricted Roger's ability to borrow or spend partnership funds and encumber partnership assets if it wasn't specifically provided for in the approved budget. Through Roger, the partnership entered a construction loan agreement, note, and mortgage with People's First Community Bank for $990,000. The bank dispersed nearly all the money to the partnership over the following 2 years. No representative of the limited partnership ever objected to any draw of funds. After 2 years, the partnership failed to make payments to the bank and defaulted. One of the limited partners said that shortly before this, the limited partners learned the loan Roger had obtained was for $990,000, not the $650,000 the limited partners had orally agreed Roger could seek financing for. This agreement wasn't memorialized in writing. The limited partners didn't consent to the loan Roger obtained and weren't contacted by the bank as to whether they consented. The bank filed a complaint seeking foreclosure. The partnership alleged the bank was negligent in failing to review the limits of Roger's authority in their limited partnership agreement and was stopped from foreclosing. The bank moved for summary judgment. After a hearing, the court entered summary judgment for the bank. The partnership appealed. The foreclosure sale was stayed pending the appeal.